Now, I just want to start this video off with this is for informational purposes only, but I'm going to teach you how to get free credit repair. And this is going to piss a lot of people off. But this is a way you can literally get free credit repair with any company there is except mine, because I know this trick. So, as y'all know, with the TSR rule, a company cannot talk to you before you sign up and pay their fee, whatever that is. If they talk to you first, now they cannot charge you for 6 months. So the way you do it is you go to Google, type in whatever company, set up a consultation. When the consultation's over, you need to tell them, I read that the CFPB said that due to the TSR rule, if you talk to me and have a consultation via phone call or a Zoom call before I sign up and make the payment, then you legally cannot charge me. Now, a lot of companies are probably gonna hang up on you or get mad, but the fact of the matter is, if they talk to you first, legally now they cannot charge you. And what I mean by free, if you work with that company for 6 months, if they do like they're supposed to, they work with you for 6 months, and you decide you don't want to pay them, you just got free credit repair. This is why the TSR rule is such a big deal, because if companies structure the way they're going to run their credit repair company around this, meaning they're going to have the consultation with you first, do the work for 6 months, the chances of a consumer paying them is about slim to none. I'm just saying. This is why it's set up for you to make monthly payments. That way, if you're not happy, you can cancel at any time. But again, this is not a hack or anything like this. This is just for informational purposes only. But if you do contact a credit repair company and they talk to you before you sign up and make that payment, legally they cannot charge you. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.